Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to change wallpaper in your PC or Windows or laptop. You just have to follow the steps as shown in this guide. Before starting this video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please consider subscribing to get the latest updates, and by the end of this video, don't forget to hit the like button. So let's start the video. To change wallpaper of desktop background, please right click on desktop and click on personalize. Now you have to click on desktop background option. Now here you have four related options. If you choose a solid color, pick the color and it will be set as wallpaper as you can see in the background. Now in the Windows desktop background, you have three different categories to choose. You will select any of these. So look at this, my wallpaper has been changed. Now in the browse option, you can either select picture of your choice to set it as a background. Click on choose picture. Now if you go to desktop, you can see the wallpaper has been changed. You can change after any time and also shuffle it at your choice. So that's how you can change wallpaper in laptop. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.